Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Bert Ferguson, Realtor here with Rush Home here in Smyrna, Delaware. As you guys know, serving Kent, Newcastle, and Sussex County here in Delaware. We're also licensed in Pennsylvania and Maryland. So any of those states, to reach out to me and we can make any of your real estate goals happen. I'm coming to you guys today with a little something different. I got a local mortgage lender with me to talk about rate buy down program that I feel like is very, very important right now. So what I'm going to do is talk with him. We're going to ask a couple questions and just kind of get you guys more familiar with this rate buy down program and talk about some of the interest rate things that we're seeing in the news and what that may mean for you, for next year. So Brennan, go ahead and tell the people a little bit about yourself and we'll go from there.
Hey everyone, my name is Brennan Brown. I'm a mortgage lender here in Delaware. I serve Kent, Sussex, and Newcastle County. I'm licensed here in Delaware and Maryland, and I was speaking with Bert the other day about the interest rates and how they've been, kind of up and down, a little sporadic here the past couple weeks. And so with that, my company released a new product which we're going to share with you today.
Great. And you're with MainStreet Home Loans, right?
Yes, MainStreet Home Loans.
All right, so give some people some contact information and where you guys are located.
Yeah, so we're located in Dover. I'm at our Dover office. It's right off of State Street on Walker Road. And my cell phone is 302-670-3096. My email is brennand@mainstreethl.com. And you're always more than welcome to reach out to me with any questions, regarding your scenario. If this product is something that you're maybe interested in, I could definitely give you some more details on that.
Nice. All right, Brennan. So tell me, what is a 1-year buy down? What is that?
So a buy down is something that helps you bring your interest rate down for a certain amount of period. So my company, there's two parts to this product. We have a 1-year and we have a 2-year. With that, I'm really big on promoting the 1-year product, simply because I feel like it has the highest benefit for the buyer at this moment. So with that, this product allows you to drop your interest rate for the first 12 months of your loan.
Very good. All right, so tell me, how does that work?
So how it works is, with the 1-year product, we basically ask the seller to pay a temporary buy down fee, and that allows the buyer to lock in at an interest rate 1% lower than what they would have. So if your lender is currently telling you that your interest rate will be around a 6.5, if the seller is willing to pay this temporary buy down fee known as the buyer's subsidy, you can lock in for the first 12 months at 5.5.
Very nice. Okay, if the seller pays the temporary buy down fee, is that considered a seller contribution?
Yes.
All right, so basically I could just, as me on the realtor end, right, as we're negotiating, I can get you some seller contribution or some seller help and let the lender know, and we will work together to make sure that goes toward this buy down program for you. Okay?
And the biggest thing with that is this product is nothing out of the buyer's pocket. So with some homes staying on the market longer than usual, some homes we're seeing they've been on the market for a couple weeks now.
Oh yeah.
Some of those sellers are getting a little anxious, and they're willing to help the buyers out if that means the home will go under contract.
Yep, I've seen it all the time. I'm getting homes 30 days, 60 days on market. I'm seeing quite a bit of shifts in those numbers that let us know that sellers are going to be doing what they can to get their home sold. And sometimes now that may be some contributions which we can apply toward this program for you. Okay? How is this loan qualified? How was that qualified?
So that's a big question that a lot of the clients have been wondering is, okay, so since I'm able to get this lower interest rate, does that mean my approval amount goes up? Not necessarily. So we have to qualify you on the market rate. So like I said earlier, if you're looking at interest rate of 6.5, we have to qualify you at that rate, not the 5.5.
Gotcha. Okay, so what loan programs is this available for?
So it's pretty much available for all loan programs, conventional, FHA, and VA. Unfortunately, not for USDA. And as well as another big question is, okay, can I do the buy down on top of Delaware State Housing Authority? We cannot. And that's simply because Delaware State Housing Authority has their rates locked in, and us lenders, we have to use the rate that they provide.
Gotcha. So if you're watching this, make sure you please take note of that particular point. A lot of people reach out to me about the Delaware State Housing Authority down payment assistance program, and many people are also interested in the USDA with 0 money down. So you must remember, when you're using those programs, you're going to negate yourself from this potential one. So you have to weigh your options. And this is a really beautiful one because not everyone wants to use DSHA and not everyone wants to use USDA. Can this be done for refinance?
Okay. No. Take it out.
All right, guys, so you see up there, if you already have a current mortgage on a current whatever, you can't use this to refinance. This is only for purchase, correct?
Yep, that is correct.
All right, so speaking of refinancing, speaking of rates and all that fun stuff, we were discussing a little bit earlier about potential rate drops for next year. Since I got a lender here with me, I wanted to get his insights on that. So Fannie Mae is saying next year rates will drop. Give us a little bit of insight on that.
Yep. So as I said earlier, I'm really big on promoting the 1 year buy down, specifically going off of what Fannie Mae is predicting here in the next 12 months. So basically, they're predicting that rates are going to drop to around the mid 4s in around the third quarter of next year. So if you're looking to buy right now and you lock in using this product, when those 12 months are up, you can refinance using the lower interest rate of next year. And now, some people may ask, how is that benefiting me? Why don't I just wait until that time? There's always a positive and negative to that. So my biggest thing is, like we said earlier, homes being on the market, we're seeing the prices of the homes today dropping, and we're able to get homes at a lower value than what you would in 12 months from now when the rates drop. A lot of those buyers who, like you said, are waiting until the rates go down are going to flood the market, ultimately increasing the sales price of the homes. Correct. So when that time comes around, you can always you can lock in at a lower sales price now, and then lock in and refinance at a lower rate down the road.
Definitely. And I think that when you're going into the housing market, I think what a lot of people don't do is plan for these type of moves, which is my job, right? Between myself and your lender, we're going to be able to give you an open landscape of what's kind of happening and give you context. Just because you've got a job now, just because your credit is good and you've got money down, doesn't mean you need to necessarily pull every single trigger or just wait for rates. Every situation is different. But what we do know is that right now we are seeing a lot of fear in the markets bringing prices down. So why not purchase while the prices are lower than they've been in the last 12 months? Easily, right? Even though rates are high, we get you with the right lender, bring that rate down for a year. Then when that year's up, everyone's at a 4% or 5%. You just jump in at that point. So there's ways that you do this, and it's all about having the right professionals, just kind of educate you on how that goes. So that's pretty much everything that I've got today. This was the buy down program with MainStreet Home Loans. Make sure you give them your contact information again.
Yeah, so you can always reach me, Monday through Friday, even on weekends, I'm always available. My cell phone is 302-670-3096. And my email is brennanb@mainstreethl.com. If you have any questions, I'm more than willing to help. You can shoot me a text, give me a call or email. Everybody's scenario is different. If you want to get some more details, maybe even see how much would I save using this program? I have a lot of things lined up where I can get you that information.
Very nice. All right, guys, and my information at bferg Realtor on Twitter and Instagram, Bert Ferguson Realtor on Facebook, and make sure you can check me out on my website, bertferguson.io, where you can instantly right there put in a mortgage application, or you can reach out to me for an inquiry or for a one-on-one consultation. All right. So that's today's video, guys. If you have any other questions or concerns, make sure you email us or reach out, leave a comment below and like and share and all that fun stuff. And I'll see you in the next video. All right. See you guys.